USA News highlights today. 1. U.S. military strikes Venezuela and captures President Maduro. The United States launched a large-scale military operation in Venezuela, striking multiple targets and capturing President Nicolás Maduro and his wife, Cilia Flores. Maduro has been brought to the U.S. to face criminal charges including narco-terrorism. 2. Trump says U.S. will run Venezuela temporarily. President Trump announced that the U.S. will govern Venezuela on a temporary basis until a safe, proper, and judicious transition can occur, and mentioned plans involving U.S. oil companies. 3. Global reaction to U.S. strikes. World leaders have reacted strongly. Some call for respect for international law and democratic transition, while others are critical of U.S. actions. 4. Legal debate over U.S. action in Venezuela. Legal experts and politicians are questioning the legitimacy and international legality of the U.S. strikes and capture of a sitting foreign leader. 5. Domestic political responses. Mixed support and criticism. Within the U.S., Republicans largely support the action as justice served, while Democrats criticize it as an unjustified military intervention. 6. Court rulings and legal news. A judge in Wisconsin resigned after being convicted in an obstruction case related to a migrant arrest, and another federal court ruled a California open-carry guns ban unconstitutional. Threats of U.S. intervention in Iran protests. President Trump has warned that the U.S. may intervene if Iranian authorities violently suppress nationwide protests over economic conditions and rising inflation. 8. U.S. humanitarian aid commitment. The United States announced a $2 billion pledge for global humanitarian assistance in 2026 to help people facing hunger and disease. 9. Anniversary hearing set on January 6th. Capitol Riot House. Democrats are convening a special session on January 6 to mark the 5-year anniversary of the Capitol riot, focusing on threats to U.S. democracy. 10. U.S. airspace and travel disruptions. FAA temporarily closed parts of Caribbean airspace due to the Venezuela operation, leading to flight cancellations and travel disruption.